Live from the 107th floor of the Cat Country 107.3 studios, just outside beautiful Atlantic City, New Jersey. It's the Joe and Jana Sunrise Challenge. It's your chance to fire up your brain and show South Jersey exactly who you are. Now, here are your hosts, Joe and Jana.
Jana, who's our contestant this morning?
Patricia from Franklinville.
Patricia, welcome to the show.
Hi, Patricia.
Hi.
Patricia, here's a question before we get started with the contest. How many pair of shoes do you own?
Ooh,
About 20.
20
that's
pair.
decent. That's decent.
Do you wear this? How often do you wear your favorite pair?
Every day at work.
All right.
there you go.
Where do you work, Patricia?
I work for Wawa.
All right.
She needs comfy shoes then.
All right, you ready to play our contest, Patricia?
Yes.
The Joe and Jana Sunrise Challenge. What I'm going to do is ask you to name 5 things in 10 seconds. If you can do that, you win.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you the thing, and then I'll repeat it, and then I'll say go.
Okay.
All right, Patricia. 5 things grown in South Jersey. Again, 5 things. Name 5 things grown in South Jersey.
And
Go.
Orange, Jersey tomatoes, Jersey blueberries, Jersey strawberries, and Jersey
Hurry.
peaches.
Oh, you made it. Congratulations, Patricia.
Yay,
You're a winner.
Thank you.
she wins absolutely nothing.
There you go.
But you get bragging rights for the day.
There you go. Patricia, you're a big winner today on the Joe and Jana Sunrise Challenge. Thanks for playing.
Thank you.
This has been the Joe and Jana Sunrise Challenge from Cat Country 107.3.
Waking up with Joe and Jana, Cat Country 107.3.
It is the 9th day of October. It's Emergency Nurses Day. Thank you, emergency nurses.
Thank you, nurses.
For doing what you do, especially during an emergency.
Well, yes.
It's Fire Prevention Day. Only you.
Can prevent forest fires.
And it's International Beer and Pizza Day. Good morning, we're Joe and Jana. Here are 3 things you need to know this morning. Florida could start to see the effects of Hurricane Milton this afternoon.
Rain was driving thunder, lightning, you wrecked my whole world when you came and hit me like
It's a big one. The National Hurricane Center says Milton is forecast to make landfill on the Gulf Coast late tonight or early tomorrow morning. As a dangerous major hurricane, the storm surge could reach 15 feet in Tampa Bay.
Wow.
Maximum sustained winds currently close to 160 miles an hour.
Obviously, we're praying for everybody who couldn't evacuate. If you're not happy with your electric bills of late, you're not alone. Congressman Jeff Van Drew, who represents much of South Jersey, is calling for an investigation of Atlantic City Electric for their billing practices. Meanwhile, Atlantic City Electric says it's working to address customer concerns.
Stop. Wait, this might be the best news ever. Remember Pizza Hut's Book It program?
Yes!
When you were a kid, if you read books, you got a free pizza.
And pizza.
To
Yeah.
celebrate 40 years of the Book It program, Pizza Hut is actually opening up the program to readers of all ages. Yes, adults can earn a free pizza by reading.
I'm doing it, Joe. What are you going to be reading?
Does thumbing through Twitter 17 times a day count?
No. And your South Jersey weather for today, mostly sunny with a high of 70.
Weather brought to you by Atlantic City Electric. Storm season is here. Atlantic City Electric knows a little prep makes a big difference. See how you can stay connected during storms. Prepare to weather any weather at AtlanticCityElectric.com/storm prep. Joe and Jana, Zach Brown, same boat. It's time now for Jana's Fangirl Update.
Well, NFL players are great at football. We all know that's what they get paid to do. Well, they're good at football, I guess, most days. But could some of them have a hidden singing talent? Not these guys. Not the members of the Pittsburgh Steelers and Dallas Cowboys who stepped up and did their best Carrie Underwood impression. So this past Sunday night, the Steelers hosted the Cowboys. But before the game, they took their best shot at singing Carrie's Waiting All Day for Sunday Night that she does every week to kick off Sunday Night Football. Listen, Carrie's a tough act to follow, guys, so don't worry. Don't beat yourselves up too much. It's all good. We've got the singing football players up now at CatCountry1073.com. Make sure you check it out. Luke Bryan is so thankful for the love that he's received from you so far for his new album that dropped last week. Mind of a Country Boy is out now. He's happy people are loving his first Christian country song he's ever released. It's the last song on the album. It's called Jesus About My Kids. He's really proud of the fact that it shares his family values with the world. He says that anybody that worries about their kids growing up in the world as it is right now can relate to this song. We've got Luke Bryan talking Jesus right now on the Cat Country 107.3 app. That's Jana's Fangirl Update on Cat Country 107.
3 mornings with Joe and Jana. It's Wednesday morning. What does that mean, Jana?
It's hump day, but it also means it's Good News Wednesday.
Yes, Good News Wednesday around here. We want to share in your good news. We'd like to throw open the microphone and talk all about the good things in your life. You can share us your... Go ahead.
I was gonna say, but we can't do it without good news to share.
Yes, let us know your good
See
news.
how that works?
Call us at 609-383-1073 or hit the message us button on the Cat Country 107.3 app. Your good news comes up at 7:20 this morning.
And go.
Jana, the world record for going without blinking is
2 minutes.
2 hours.
I would lose. You're already making me stop doing that. I blinked because it made me. Oh no, don't do it. I can't do that.
More fun facts.
Oh man.
The latest report says that American life expectancy is 77 and a half years.
That doesn't seem right.
I'm doing some math in my head right now.
I feel like, we're like,
I feel
how
like
many
I
years?
need to play more golf. One more. A study found that 1 in 10 women experiences pain during, you know what?
1 in 10?
Yeah,
I
usually
feel like it's more than that.
it's caused by rolling over onto the remote. Cat Country 107.3 mornings with Joe and Jana. Time now for your Cat Country joke of the morning. Brought to you by East Coast Roofing, Siding, and Windows. If you call, they'll show up. EastCoastRoofing.com. Kathy lives in Galloway Township. She sent us the joke we're going to use today. Thank you, Kathy.
All right, Kathy. Thank you so much.
At a wedding reception, the band leader yelled out, "All right, all the married men, please stand next to the one person who has made your life worth living." The guy behind the bar was nearly crushed to death. It's Cat Country 107.3. Good morning, we're Joe and Jana. We've got cash to give away today with Cash Cow. 10 cash winners will be found today. You have 10 chances to win. First chance will be to 8:20 this morning here at Cat Country 107.3. $30,000 top prize in Cash Cow. It's powered by Bennett Chevy and BennettChevy.com. And today is Wednesday. That means Good News Wednesday, Jana.
But we can't do it without you. We need all the good news that you have going on in your life. Message us on the Cat Country 107.3 app. Of course, you can call us, 609-383-1073. We love to hear from you. We're trying to push all this gunk out of here.
Goodbye,
and
gunk.
Spread some
Hello,
good
good.
juju for a change. Good News Wednesday. Let us know your good news right now.
We'll talk more at 7:20. Country 107.3. Mornings with Joe and Jana. Time now for your Cat Country Dumb Story of the Morning.
Where are we going?
Hallsbow, Washington.
Of course we are.
For 35 years, a woman has been feeding raccoons from her back step.
Nope.
But it all escalated dramatically a few weeks ago. Then last week, she had to flee in her car to escape the 100 raccoons outside of her house demanding food.
Nope.
Sheriff's deputies responded to her call for help, finding her in distress due to the raccoon invasion. The woman reported being quoted up to $500 per raccoon for trapping and relocation services. Authorities referred her to the Washington State Department of Fish and Wildlife to seek a solution.
Nope.
Don't Joe and Jana? Well, it's a big day if you're a Phillies fan. Oh, yesterday was not a good day. Philadelphia fell to the Mets 7-2. That means New York leads the best of 5 series 2-1. Game 4 is this evening at 5. Good morning, we're Joe and Jana. Here are 3 things you need to know this morning. Florida could start to see the effects of Hurricane Milton this afternoon.
Was driving thunder, lightning, you wrecked my whole world when you came and hit me like a
It's a big one. The National Hurricane Center says Milton is forecast to make landfill on the Gulf Coast late tonight or early tomorrow morning. As a dangerous major hurricane, the storm surge could reach 15 feet in Tampa Bay.
Wow.
Maximum sustained winds currently close to 160 miles an hour.
Obviously, we're praying for everybody who couldn't evacuate. If you're not happy with your electric bills of late, you're not alone. Congressman Jeff Van Drew, who represents much of South Jersey, is calling for an investigation of Atlantic City Electric for their billing practices. Meanwhile, Atlantic City Electric says it's working to address customer concerns.
Stop, wait, this might be the best news ever. Remember Pizza Hut's Book It program?
Yes!
When you were a kid, if you read books, you got a free pizza.
And pizza.
To celebrate 40 years of the Book It program, Pizza Hut is actually opening up the program to readers of all ages. Yes, adults can earn a free pizza by reading.
I'm doing it, Joe. What are you going to be reading?
Does thumbing through Twitter 17 times a day count?
No. And your South Jersey weather for today, mostly sunny with a high of 70.
Weather brought to you by Atlantic City Electric. Storm season is here. Atlantic City Electric knows a little prep makes a big difference. See how you can stay connected during storms. Prepare to weather any weather at AtlanticCityElectric.com/storm prep.
I know, his album's great.
That's him with Blake Shelton. Pour me a drink. We're Joe and Jana. It's Cat Country 107.3. Birthday shout-out time.
We have 2 famous birthdays today. First up, we got Megan Maroney. She's 27 today, 27 years young. Congratulations. Happy birthday, Megan. And we also have Scott. I don't know why I said congratulations, but Congratulations for still being alive. We also have Scotty McCreery, who's 31 today. We just saw him in Wildwood, so that was a great
Just
time
saw
for
Megan
Barefoot.
Maroney in Philadelphia
Yeah,
with
for
Kenny
Kenny.
Chesney.
Yep. So happy birthday to both of them.
Had a good conversation with Megan. Interesting conversation with Megan. Maybe we'll talk about that later this morning. In the meantime, we got a full list here. Maria Darminio of
Maria Darmino.
she's a bartender at OVT.
Yeah.
She was one of our Cat Country Bartenders of the Year a few years back.
Yes, she
She's
was.
53 today. Dawn Warren of Linwood celebrates today. Tina Garcino of Linwood has a birthday. Happy birthday to Dawn Gaithier. She's 55. Catherine Ernst of Hamilton is 43. Vicky Kerbeck of Ocean City has a birthday.
Vicky, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Alexandra Silavanch of Manahawkin. She's 43. Happy birthday, Alex. Jackie Tomlinson of Millville celebrates today. It's Glenn Charles' birthday. Glenn is from Dennisville. Samantha Cook of Egg Harbor Township has a birthday. Deb Whitehead of Millville is 67.
Deb, happy birthday.
Bob Tobolsky of Vineland is 67. Happy birthday to Crystal Hindman of West Deptford. Bonnie Duberson of Egg Harbor Township celebrates today. It's Shannon Sierra's birthday. Shannon is from Courthouse. She's 45. And Karen Porter of Linwood is 62. Happy birthday, Karen.
Very nice. Happy birthday.
If we miss you, happy one to you as well. The recipient of our Cat Country Big Birthday shout out today
is
Shannon Sierra of Cape May Courthouse. She's 45. Our thoughts to our friends in Florida this morning. The hurricane is about to hit.
Good news, a little good news today.
Let's share some good news. It's time for Good News Wednesday. 609-383-1073. Or hit the message us button on the Cat Country 107.3 app. We'd like to share your good news. Speaking of the hurricane, this from Jonathan in Ocean City on our app. Jonathan says, my parents have safely evacuated their home in Clearwater, Florida. They arrived here yesterday.
That's amazing.
So our best wishes to your parents and their home.
Yeah, for sure.
Jeez, that's terrible.
I actually have one from the app as well. Amanda, who lives in Deptford. She says, love you listening to you guys on the app. She said, my good news for this morning, her parents actually live in Fort Myers now, and they are out.
Good.
So they made it out. Yeah, lots of stuff about the hurricane. We
Good.
got a lot of transplants down there, a lot of Cat Country listeners, so we hope you're safe, for sure.
It's Good News Wednesday. We want to hear your good news. 609-383-1073 or hit the message us button on the Cat Country 107.3 app.
Shifting away from the hurricane for a minute, we have some, this is really great news. This is awesome. I didn't even know this was a thing. So Hannah from Gibbstown said that she started her own Jell-O shot making side hustle, side business. She makes, and she's got an Instagram. It's crazy.
Is this legal?
Yeah, I don't know. I guess. But she's like,
She's
these
selling
are
door to door?
No, you can book her to make them for your parties and stuff like that.
Instead of a lemonade stand, she has the Jell-O shot stand in
It's
the
so
driveway.
Cool. But she's booked already this month for 6 Halloween parties. I bet you are, girl.
That sounds highly illegal.
I bet you are. I think that's awesome.
You can't just sell alcohol.
I think if the person that supplies the alcohol, you can. I think that's how it works.
You mean if she does it in a bar or something?
No, if if they're giving the alcohol to her to make them, or I think she goes to your house and makes epic Jell-O shots. I think that's what it is.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
So
she'll come to your party.
She's not selling the alcohol. She's selling her service.
Right. Yeah.
Because people can't figure out
That's
how to
so
mix the Jell-O
cool.
mix with the alcohol
No,
or what?
hers are really elaborate. The shot spot. They're really. I don't know if I would be able to do it.
If I'm drinking Jell-O shots, I really don't care what it looks like.
Listen, it's all about the Instagram society that we live in now, Joe Kelly. Everything's an Instagrammable moment.
The goal of drinking alcohol is not because it tastes good.
Well,
So
I'll give you that.
or it looks good.
I'll give you that.
In the end,
But
it's how it makes you feel.
listen, it's how it makes you feel.
Let's be honest here.
I mean, listen. It's
Nobody's
great.
going to the liquor store and getting a what are those big things called?
Booster shots?
Handles? Is that
handle the drink.
handle vodka
Yeah,
because
yeah,
it
yeah.
tastes really good.
No, ew.
They're drinking to forget about their day.
And they're drinking lovely looking shots is what they're doing.
All right, I guess we should move on.
So that's great. Congratulations, Hannah.
Jesse from Tuckerton. Jesse's good news. My 3-year-old is finally potty trained. As a young parent, that is the
Best ever?
It is. It really is. Because you get caught up in how old your child is, whether or not they're potty trained. And no one can tell, Jana, whether you and I were potty trained first. I know it was me. But no one can tell how
I get what you
at
mean.
what age. You know
Right,
what I
right,
mean?
right. Yeah.
After. And the freedom it gives you that you don't have to carry around the diaper bag anymore. You don't have to run to the bathroom with them
Yeah.
every 5 minutes. Coming up in about 10 minutes, take us to see Parker McCollum at Freedom Mortgage Pavilion in Camden this Saturday night. In the meantime, it's Wednesday.
Good news, a little good news today.
It's Good News Wednesday. Share your good news with us at 609-383-1073 or hit the message us button on the Cat Country 107.3 app. We were talking about Jell-O shots, Jana, earlier in the girl who started a business making Jell-O shots, I guess.
Yes, which is so awesome.
I'm trying to think back when I was in college. I don't think we had Jell-O shots. The closest we could get to something different was drinking straight out of the keg. I think that was
I don't even know if that's anywhere close to Jell-O shots,
variety.
though.
We didn't have the Jell-O shot variety, so if we wanted variety, we had to drink straight from the keg.
That's
We had the good news earlier this morning about Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
They've expanded their reading program to all ages, so adults can now read a book and get a free personal pan pizza at Pizza Hut.
that's the best news we're going to hear all day.
Yeah, and here's the bad news.
What?
And it has to do with food as well. 400 people in Washington State have been laid off. You know why?
No.
Because we're not eating as much French fries as we used to.
We're healthier.
North America's largest
Trying to
French
be.
fries supplier has closed its plant in Washington State, laid off 400 workers.
You know where I would be more surprised it happened in? Idaho.
Well, they probably ship it to Washington because Washington has better workers than Idaho. They can make French fries out of potatoes.
That's what it
I don't
is.
know why.
Got it.
I don't know why, but apparently that's a big thing. It's hurting potato farmers. Cat Country 107.3 Mornings with Joe and Jana. Love you, miss you, mean it. Cat Country Morning Trivia is up next. Brought to you this morning by South Jersey Gas. To learn more about switching to gas and 0% financing and rebates on HVAC systems, visit southjerseygas.com/lovemyhome. Cat Country Morning Trivia, 609-383-1073, or hit the Call Us button on the Cat Country 107.3 app. Today's prize, 2 tickets to see Parker McCollum this Saturday night at 7:30 at the Freedom Mortgage Pavilion in Camden. They're doing it indoors at Freedom Mortgage Pavilion this weekend, so Parker McCollum is there. You got 2 tickets when you win. Here's the question this morning. 1/4 of women say they would break up with a guy if he did too much of this.
Okay.
Too much of this. 1/4 of women, 25%, say they'd break up with a guy if he did too much of this. I was going to say complaining, but that's not it. It has nothing to do with complaining.
Okay.
1/4 of women say they would break up with a guy if he did too much of this. Country 107.3 Mornings with Joe and Jana. Cat Country Morning Trivia is on the air. At stake, we've got tickets to see Parker McCollum Saturday night at the Freedom Mortgage Pavilion in Camden. Here's the question. 1 out of 4 women say they would break up with a guy if he did too much of this.
If he did too much of this. Okay.
You have a guess?
I do. Yeah. Call his mom too much.
Why can't I talk to my mother?
You absolutely can, but so like if you're one of those guys
You're
that
a
like
mama's
lived at
boy.
home till you were like 32, like yeah, that's just a no-go. All
right.
Sorry about that.
609-383-1073. 25% of women say they would break up with a guy if he did too much of this. Hi, Cat Country.
Play video games.
Oh, that's very good, but that's not it.
Yeah, that's a
not it.
great
Thank you.
answer.
I'm surprised that's not it, actually. Hi, Cat Country. What's your answer?
Is it cleaning?
If he does too much
cleaning?
No, that's not it. Thank
That
you.
would never be the answer. I can guarantee that.
God forbid.
Yeah, right? God forbid. Oh, he
Found a guy
cleans
who
too
likes
much.
to clean.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Run the other way.
Run the other way.
Hi, Cat Country. What's your answer?
Texting them too much.
No, that's not it. Thank you.
Text me more. I want all of your attention.
It has nothing to do with what he does for you or to you.
Okay.
Hi, Cat Country. What's your answer?
Gossiping?
No, that's not it. Thank you.
I
Hi,
think that's
Cat
a girl
Country.
thing.
What's your answer?
Is it video games?
No, that's not it. Thank you. Good morning, Cat Country.
Drinking?
Oh, that's
Well,
a good
that's
one.
a good one,
That's not
but-
it. Thank you. Hi, Cat Country. What's your answer?
Hello?
Hi, is it snoring?
Snoring is not it. Thank you.
Ooh.
If you're not married yet, how do you know if he snores? Hi, Cat Country. What's your answer?
Pumping gas.
Pumping gas?
Passing gas.
passing gas.
No, that's not it. Thank you.
I was like, I would love for him to pump my gas. What do you mean?
Hi, Cat Country. What's your answer?
Even though everyone pumps our
Tanning.
Tanning is absolutely right.
Awesome.
How
Wow.
about that?
Somebody in the truck with me said he heard it before.
Oh, there you
God,
go.
Tanning is right. What's your
That
name?
is kind of weird.
It is.
kind of weird.
I would
I mean, seconds.
right now,
Yeah.
literally.
Wait, with some Brad Paisley tickets to give away. Brad Paisley going to be at Ocean Casino Resort Saturday night at Ovation Hall at Ocean Casino. But wait, there's more. Before the show, we're going to be out there for a pre-party at Top Golf Swing Suite Bar and Kitchen inside Ocean Casino. It's a great place. We're going to have some live music from singer Megan Knight. We're going to have some last-minute Brad Paisley tickets to give away. A whole lot of fun as well. Hope to see you there. We'll be there 5 to 7.
It's going to be so much fun. Just come out and have a good time. Now you have plans for Saturday night. There you go.
Matter of fact, let's give away a pair of Brad Paisley tickets right now. Again, 2 tickets to see Brad Paisley, Ocean Casino Resorts in Atlantic City this Saturday.
Okay.
We're going to play our game called Answer Wrong and Win. We'll give you 3 questions. If you can answer them all wrong, you'll win. Caller 7 plays 609-383-1073 for Brad Paisley tickets for Saturday night. Good luck. Good morning. We're
Wesley Financial Group is not a law firm.
Are you a victim of the timeshare trap and think there's no way out? I'm Chuck McDowell, founder of Wesley Financial Group, and I'm here to tell you that there is a way out. I will send you a timeshare exit information kit absolutely free, explaining how the timeshare industry works and your options for cancellation.
Get the facts. For your free timeshare exit info kit, go to iCancelTimeshare.com. That's iCancelTimeshare.com. iCancelTimeshare.com.
to know this morning, Florida could start to see the effects of Hurricane Milton this afternoon.
Was driving thunder, lightning, you wrecked my whole world when you came and hit me like
It's a big one. The National Hurricane Center says Milton is forecast to make landfill on the Gulf Coast late tonight or early tomorrow morning as a dangerous major hurricane. The storm surge could reach 15 feet in Tampa Bay.
Wow.
Maximum sustained winds currently close to 160 miles an hour.
Obviously, we're praying for everybody who couldn't evacuate. If you're not happy with your electric bills of late, you're not alone. Congressman Jeff Van Drew, who represents much of South Jersey, is calling for an investigation of Atlantic City Electric for their billing practices. Meanwhile, Atlantic City Electric says it's working to address customer concerns.
Stop, wait, this might be the best news ever. Remember Pizza Hut's Book It program?
Yes!
When you were a kid, if you read books, you got a free pizza.
And pizza.
To
Yeah.
celebrate 40 years of the Book It program, Pizza Hut is actually opening up the program to readers of all ages. Yes, adults can earn a free pizza by reading.
I'm doing it, Joe. What are you going to be reading?
Does thumbing through Twitter 17 times a day count?
No. And your South Jersey weather for today, mostly sunny with a high of 70.
Weather brought to you by Atlantic City Electric. Storm season is here. Atlantic City Electric knows a little prep makes a big difference. See how you can stay connected during storms. Prepare to weather any weather at AtlanticCityElectric.com/storm prep. Cat Country 107.3 mornings with Joe and Jana. Time now for my favorite tweets from the last 24 hours.
All right, let's do this.
There are 5 of them. Number 1, cranberries are traditionally served at Thanksgiving to commemorate those pilgrims who suffered urinary tract infections.
Well, it does help. It does help with that, Joe Kelly.
Number 2, had a dream Taylor and Travis broke up and Joe Biden had to address the nation.
Could you imagine?
Number 3, I can easily control the weather. Buy a new $500 snowblower, no snow all winter.
Yep.
Spend $2,000 on new gutters, severe drought.
Yep.
Buy steaks to grill outside, Sharknado.
It's one way to do it.
Tweet number 4, starting conversations with short people by saying, back when I was your height.
Back when I was your height. That's so funny.
We're Joe and Jana. These are my favorite
I
tweets.
might start doing that
These are my favorite tweets. Last one, number 5.
when I was your
Hi,
height.
911. Yes, I'd like to report an emergency. I'm still wearing shorts well into October.
Right?
It has been warm.
It has been kind of warm.
Country 107.3 mornings with Joe and Jana. Are you our next cash winner on Cash Cow?
You might be right now.
Let's make it happen. 10 times today, we're going to give you a code at 20 minutes past the hour from now through 5:20. When you get a Cash Cow code, go to the Cat Country 107.3 app. Lock on the button that says win $30,000 and type in the code, and we could be calling you to tell you you're a winner. It's Cash Cow, powered by Bennett Chevy and BennettChevy.com. Here's your first Cash Cow code of the day. 140.
140. That's the code that you need right now. 140. Go to the Cat Country 107.3 app, type on the message us, or not the message us button, the win $30,000 button and type in 140. That win $30,000 button is going to do it for you. 140. We'll be back here in an hour from right now with your next code. 140.
1-4 Country 107.3 mornings with Joe and Jana. Big day for Phillies fans. Can we turn this back around? Phillies lost to the Mets yesterday, so that means they're down 2-1.
See, I should have saved my trending up or down topic for today.
Yeah, must win today. They get play at 6 o'clock. Is that right? 5 o'clock?
Phillies game.
Yeah.
The Phillies game on October 9th is at...
Anyway.
Oh, it doesn't say.
We should have done our homework.
Well, we're a little upset, Joe.
Yeah, so hopefully they win.
Come on.
Meanwhile, in Florida, they're bracing for Hurricane Milton. Jana, one of the things they tell you if you're going to stick around during a hurricane is to fill up your bathtub with water. Why is that, you know?
Yes, I do.
Go ahead, tell us.
So you have to fill your bathtub up with water because, God forbid, you don't get water after the hurricane damage. How are you going to flush your toilet?
Right. Don't use it for drinking.
No.
But use it to flush your toilet or bathing
drain
at the
your
worst.
Right.
Yeah, but don't drink that. It's
no.
been sitting around for a while.
Yeah. But at least you have it, and at least you won't be, sitting in pee.
Yes. Don't sit in
So
it.
much going on in this town. To keep me busy, I've been running around. Up and down all these avenues. Doing everything but thinking about you. As long as I stay on them, I'm fine. The city side of those city limit signs. You don't really cross my mind. As soon as I get out here on the outskirts, I wish I was running by your house first. Something about a summer in the South sure shines like gold down these old Round Bell River Valley back roads. Way back in the holler where the grass grows. God almighty, baby, we were that close to ditching this town and settling down out here on the outskirts. If I'd have had a lick of damn sense, I'd be on the greener side of that fence. Little starter house we finally outgrown. 1,200 feet we're about to add on. Smiling out there watching them. Big old yellow buckets about to break ground. While you're shooting all my baby names down. As soon as I get out here on the outskirts, I wish I was running by your house first. Something about a summer in the South sure shines like gold down these old Round Bell River Valley back roads. Way back in the holler where the grass grows. God almighty, baby, we were that close to ditching this town and settling down out here on the outskirts. I'm over all these Saturday nights. I miss the stars in your eyes. We were gonna give up on the fast life. Have a couple babies, raise them up right. Take them to the river, get them baptized. Back in our day, if I'd have just stayed, I wouldn't be living in this condo, hanging out with Haley from Toronto. God almighty, baby, we were that close to ditching uptown, putting roots down out here on the outskirts.
Look, your radio is still on Cat Country 107.3.
We've been burning both ends, keeping the lights on. So I've been thinking we need a little time alone. So would you say
is the Cat Country Morning Show with Joe and Jana. Cat Country 107.3, a Town Square media station serving South Jersey and available on the Cat Country 107.3 app.
This is the Town Square, New Jersey Info and Weather Network.
Hey, good morning. It's Chris Coleman. Question for you. How much are you willing to spend on a lottery ticket? If you're a fan of Mega Millions, get ready to spend more. What's a Mega Millions ticket now? Like $2? Officials with Mega Millions say the cost of a lottery ticket early next year going to $5 per ticket. They say you're not going to mind spending more than double to play Mega Millions for an opportunity to become a multimillionaire. Yeah, I don't know about that. $2, sure, I'll spend $2 for a chance at a couple $100 million. $5? I don't know. I might think twice about that one. What do you think? Let us know on the Cat Country 107.3 app. Tap on that Message Us button. Chris Coleman, I'll see you this afternoon at 3. Cat Country 107.3.
From the Town Square, New Jersey Info and Weather Network, I'm Chief Meteorologist Dan Zarrow. By the numbers, today will be very similar to yesterday. Bright skies, dry air, dry weather, and seasonable temperatures. There is a little chill in the air this morning. We'll see about 70 degrees this afternoon with sunshine and a few clouds along the way. Tonight, mainly clear and cool, turning breezy too, low of 48. And we'll keep that breeze tomorrow as we cool down, mostly sunny and 63. Get weather 24/7 wherever you are. Download our free mobile app today.
Well, good morning. It's Jess, and my goal is to make your workday go faster. Keep it here after the morning show. I'll have 10 songs in a row every hour for you on Cat Country 107.3.
What's going on? It's Jana Michael here for the Stockton University Performing Arts Center. You got to get out from behind these screens. It's time that you experience live entertainment, and you got to go see this one. If you love Sex and the City like me, don't miss the creator, Candace Bushnell, in her new one-woman show. It's going down Saturday, October 26th. Friday, November 8th, Stockton welcomes So Good, the Neil Diamond Experience, starring Robert Neary. And then Saturday, November 16th, it's Step Africa. This one is cool, integrating song, storytelling, humor, and dance. There's something for everyone at Stockton University Performing Arts Center. Get your tickets right now, StocktonPAC.org.
This podcast is sponsored by IQ Bar. I've got good news and bad news. Here's the bad news. Most protein bars are packed with sugar and unpronounceable ingredients. The good news? There's a better option. I'm Will, and I created IQ Bar plant protein bars to empower doers like you with clean, delicious, low-sugar brain and body fuel. IQ Bars are packed with 12 grams of protein, brain nutrients like magnesium and lion's mane, and zero weird stuff. And right now, you can get 20% off all IQ Bar products, plus free shipping. Try our delicious IQ Bar sampler pack with 7 plant protein bars, 4 hydration mixes, and 4 enhanced coffee sticks. Clean ingredients, amazing taste, and you'll love how you feel. Refuel smarter, hydrate harder, caffeinate larger with IQ Bar.
Go to eatiqbar.com and enter code BAR20 to get 20% off all IQ Bar products plus free shipping. Again, go to eatiqbar.com and enter code BAR20.
Northfield wakes up with Joe and Jana. Cat Country 107.3.
New truck, big lift, old roads, we've been tearing up since way back when. But these wheels are innocent. New hitch, new seats, no hit story, and you just can't fake that. So let's change that, girl. Let's go put some miles on it. Back of the Chevy with the engine running. Just you and me in a truck bed wide like a California king. We could break it in if you know what I mean. Put some miles on it. Back of the Chevy with the engine running. Just you and me in a truck bed wide like a California king. We could break it in if you know what I mean. Put some miles on it. We could break it in if you know what I mean. All night, no brakes, I'll tell, no gate. Ain't gotta try too hard. My baby's pushed to start. I'll torque, full speed, off-road on me. 0 to 100 fast. My foot ain't touched the gas. I said, hey baby, slow it down, let's make it last. You said, where's the fun in that? Yeah, let's go put some miles on it. Back of the Chevy with the engine running. Just you and me in a truck bed wide like a California king. We could break it in mile after mile after mile. Turn up the night like that radio dial. Shoulder to shoulder where nobody knows. Know where we're going, we ain't going on. We're putting miles on it. Back of the Chevy with the engine running. Just you and me in a truck bed wide like a California king. We could break it in if you know what I mean. Put some miles on it. Back of the Chevy with the engine running. Just you and me in a truck bed wide like a California king. We could break it in if you know what I mean. Put some miles on it. We could break it in if you know what I mean. Put some miles on it. We could break it in if you know what I mean. Put some miles on it.
Cat Country 107.3. Mornings with Joe and Jonna. Time now for your Cat Country Dumb Story of the Morning.
Where are we going?
Hallsbow, Washington.
Of course we are.
For 35 years, a woman has been feeding raccoons from her back step.
Nope.
But it all escalated dramatically a few weeks ago. Then last week, she had to flee in her car to escape the 100 raccoons outside of her house demanding food.
Nope.
Sheriff's deputies responded to her call for help, finding her in distress due to the raccoon invasion. The woman reported being quoted up to $500 per raccoon for trapping and relocation services. Authorities referred her to the Washington State Department of Fish and Wildlife to seek a solution.
Nope.
Don't feed the animals.
I would have ran and never returned to the house.
Cat Country 107.3.
Yep.
Up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack I was pouring. Damn, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Yeah. She said don't come home if you go to the bar. So I said okay baby, then got drunk out in the yard. 2 a.m. I knock up on the door. But she never unlocked it, guess I don't live there no more. Yeah, she meant business this time. I can't believe my bloodshot eyes. I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack I was pouring. Damn, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Yeah. I used that empty bag of corn to rest my head, a camo jacket for a blanket, then passed out like I was dead. Still got one heck of a buzz. If I look like a train wreck, it's because I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack I was pouring. Damn, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Yeah. I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Yes, I did. I can't believe I gotta be at work at 9. That bird's about to catch this 45. Oh, I guess if this really is goodbye, at least I took my boots off this time. I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack I was pouring. Damn, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack I was pouring. Damn, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve.
Yeah. Cat Country 107.3. Mornings with Joe and Jonna. Time now for Jonna's Fangirl Update.
And we're talking about NFL players. They're great at football, right? Or at least in theory, they're supposed to be. But could some of them have a hidden singing talent? OMG. Not the members of the Pittsburgh Steelers and Dallas Cowboys. At least not the ones who stepped up and did their best Carrie Underwood impression. So last Sunday night, the Steelers hosted the Cowboys. Before the game, they took their best shot at singing Carrie is Waiting All Day for Sunday night. She does it every night to kick off Sunday Night Football. every week. Listen, guys, you did your best. Carrie's a tough act to follow, okay? It's all good. We've got the singing football players up for you right now, catcountry1073.com. Luke Bryan is super thankful for the love that he's received so far for his new album that dropped last week. Mind of a Country Boy is out now. He's happy people are loving his first Christian country song that he's ever released. That's the last one on the album. It's called Jesus 'Bout My Kids. And he's really proud of the fact that it shares his family values with the world. He said that anybody that worries about their kids growing up in the world as it is right now can relate to this one. We've got Luke Bryan talking to Jesus right now on the Cat Country 107.3 app. That's Shauna's Fangirl Update brought to you by Apex East Roofing. If you're in need of a new roof, go to apexeastroofing.com, answer a couple of questions. They're going to give you a quote back in 30 seconds or less. That's apexeastroofing.com. Cat Country 107.3.
The Cat Country Workday Kickoff is next. Over an hour of non-stop Cat Country music to start your workday. This is Cat Country 107.3.
And it's Jana again, but this time I'm talking to you about JAG Physical Therapy. They're proudly celebrating National Physical Therapy Month. If you've ever needed physical therapy, you know that it can be a whole process, but this is the time to celebrate movement, recovery, and getting back to doing the things that you love to do. That's the goal, right? So whether you're recovering from surgery or healing from an injury or even managing chronic pain, the experts at JAG Physical Therapy, they can help you achieve your rehabilitative goals. They're dedicated clinicians. They're here to guide you every step of the way with tailored treatment plans, all the things. This National Physical Therapy Month, make sure you take the first step towards a healthier, more active life. Visit jagpt.com. That's jagpt.com.
Hamilton is listening to Joe and Jana. Cat Country 107.3.